कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्यः कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं। सर्वेभ्यः शुभसायं तथा नमांसि। रघुवीरगद्यं पठामः। श्रीरघुवीरगद्यं जयत्याश्रितसन्त्रासध्वान्तविध्वंसनोदयः प्रभावान् सीतया देव्या परमं व्योमभास्करः। जय जय महावीर महाधीर धौरेय देवासुरसमर समय समुदित निखिल निर्जर निर्धारित निरवधिक माहात्म्य दशवदन दमित दैवत परिषदभ्यर्थित दाशरथि भाव दिनकर कुल कमल दिवाकर दिविशदधिपतिरण सहचरण चतुर दशरथ चरमरुण विमोचन कोसलसुता कुमार भाव कंचुकित कारणाकार कौमार केलि गोपायित कौशिकाध्वर रणाध्वर धुर्य भव्य दिव्यास्त्र बृंदवंदित प्रणत जन विमत विमथन दुर्ललित दोर्ललित तनुतर विशिख विताडन विघटित विशरारु शरारु ताटका ताटकेय जड़ किरण शकल धर जटिल नटपति मकुट तट नटन पटु विबुध सरिदति बहुल मधुगलन ललित पद नलिन रज उपमृदित निज वृजिन जहदुपल तनु रुचिर परम मुनिवर युवति नुता कुशिक सुत कथित विदित नव विविध कथा मैथिल नगर सुलोचनालोचन चकोर चंद्र खंड परशुकोदंड प्रकांड खंडन शौंड भुजदंड चंडकर किरण मंडल बोधित पुंडरी कवन रुचि लुंटाकलोचन मोचित जनक हृदय शंकातंक परिहृत निखिल नरपति वरण जनक दुहितृ कुच तट विहरण समुचित करतल शतकोटि शतगुण कठिन परशुधर मुनिवर कर धृत दुरवन मतम निज धनुराकर्षण प्रकाशित पारमेष्ठ्य क्रतुहर शिखरि कंदुक विहृत्युन्मुख जगदरुन्तुदजित हरिदन्ति दन्त दन्तुरोरोन्त दशवदन दमन कुशल दशशत भुज मुख नृपति कुल रुधिर झर भर भरित पृथुतर तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति सुगति विहति करनत परुडिषु परिघ अनृत भय मुषित हृदय पितृवचन पालन प्रतिज्ञावज्ञात यौवराज्य निषाद राज सौहृद सूचित सौशील्य सागर भरद्वाज शासन परिगृहीत विचित्र चित्रकूट गिरिकटक तट रम्यावसथा अनन्य शासनीय प्रणत भरत मकुट तट सुघटित पादुकाग्र्याभिषेक निर्वर्तित सर्वलोक योगक्षेम पिशित रुचि विहित दुरित वल मथन तनय बलिभुगनुगति सरभस शयन तृण शकल परिपतन भयचकित सकल सुर मुनिवर बहुमत महास्त्र सामर्थ्य द्रुहिण हरवल मथन दुरालक्ष्य शरलक्ष्य दण्डका तपोवन जंगम पारिजात विराध हरिण शार्दूल विलुलित बहुफल मख कलम रजनिचर मृग मृगयारंभ संभृत चीर बृदनुरोध त्रिशिरः शिरस्त्रितयतिमिर निरास वासरकर दूषण जल निधि शोषण तोषित ऋषिगण घोषित विजय घोषण खरतर खरतरु खंडन चंड पवन विसप्त रक्षः सहस्र नलवन विलोलन महाकलभ असहाय शूर अनपाय साहस महित महामृध दर्शन मुदित मैथिली दृढ़तर परिरंभण विभव विरोपित विकट वीरव्रण मारीच माया मृग चर्म परिकर्मित निर्भर दर्भास्तरण विक्रम यशोलाभ विक्रीत जीवित गृध्र राज देह दिधक्षालक्षित भक्त जन दाक्षिण्य कल्पित विबुध भावक बंधाभिनंदित अवंध्य महिम मुनि जन भजन मुषित हृदय कलुष शबरी मोक्ष साक्षी भूत प्रभंजन तनय भावुक भाषित रंजित हृदय तरणि सुत शरणागति परतंत्री कृत स्वातंत्र्य दृढ़ घटित कैलास कोटि विकट दुंदुभि कंकाल कूट दूर विक्षेप दक्ष दक्षिणेतर पादांगुष्ठधर चलन विश्वस्त सुहृदाशय अति पृथुल बहुविटपि गिरिधरणि विवर युगपदुदय विवृत चित्र पुंख वैचित्र्य विपुल भुज शैल मूल निबिड़ निपीडित रावण रण रणक जनक चतुरुधि विहरण चतुर कपिकुलपति हृदय विशाल शिलातल धारण दारुण शिलीमुख अपार पारावार परिखा परिवृत परपुर परिसृत दवदहन जवन पवन भव कपिवर परिष्वंग भावित सर्वस्वदान सुंदरकांडे एव स्मः वयं सुंदरकांडस्य वैशिष्ट्यम् अधिकाधिकं ज्ञात्वा एव अग्रे गच्छामः यतः अग्रिमभागः युद्धकाण्डः युद्धात् पूर्वं संपूर्ण सिद्धता अनिवार्या सिद्धतां विना युद्धकाले शस्त्राभ्यासः इति उक्तिः अस्ति केवलं यदा युद्धं करणीयं भवति तदा मम अस्त्रं तीक्ष्णम् अस्ति वा इति परीक्षा न करणीया अतः युद्धात् पूर्वं याः सिद्धताः अस्माभिः तद् पठितुं कथा विषये ज्ञातुं मनसि युद्धात् पूर्वं किं किं जातम् इति ज्ञात्वा अग्रे गच्छामः अत्र प्रतिपदं पदस्य अर्थं पश्यामः अपार अपार इत्युक्ते तत्र अर्थद्वयम् अस्ति एकं तु दुस्तरः अत्यन्त क्लेशकरः इति एकः अर्थः अन्यदेकम् अपारम् इत्युक्ते तीररहितं समुद्रं यदा पश्यामः वयं तदा किं तत् यावत् पश्यामः तावत् जलमेव दृश्यते अतः सागरं समुद्रं पार अब्धिः एवं सर्वं समानार्थकपदानि तत् कथम् अस्ति समुद्रः अपारः अस्ति तस्य तीरं द्रष्टुमपि न शक्यते तादृश समुद्रः अपारः दुस्तरः इति एकः अर्थः तीररहितः इति अपरः अर्थः तादृशस्य दुस्तरस्य पारावारः पारावारः इति समुद्रस्य नाम समुद्रः सः समुद्रः पारावारः अपार पारावारः कथमासीत् परिखा परिवृतः परिखा इत्युक्ते सामान्यतः नगरं भवति, नगरं परितः दुर्गः भवति, दुर्गात् बहिः परिखा भवति। पूर्वं रक्षण विधानानि बहूनि आसन्। प्रमुख नगरस्य रक्षणार्थं नगरं परितः there will be a fort surrounding the city, and outside parikha is a moat or trench, a deep trench is parikha. Parikha परिवृतः इत्युक्ते आवृतः। लङ्का विषये अस्ति। परपुर इति, पर इति शत्रुः, तस्य पुरः अथवा पुरं, शत्रु नगरी कथमासीत्। पुनः आरम्भतः गच्छामः। अपार पारावारः इत्युक्ते दुस्तरः तीररहितः समुद्रः। सः कथमासीत्? समुद्रः एव, समुद्रः सः एव परिखा परिवृतः, परिखा इव परिवृतः लङ्कापुरं। परिखा इत्युक्ते दुर्गवेष्टनम् इत्यपि अस्ति तस्य अन्य नाम। परिवृतः तद् इट् वास् कम्प्लीट्लि सराउण्डेड् बै दिस् परिखा, द डीप् मोट्स्। परपुरः शत्रोः रावणस्य नगरम् इत्युक्ते लङ्का, तस्य परिसृतं, परिसृतम् इत्युक्ते आवृतं। तादृश लङ्कां यः दवदहन, अत्र एकैकपदमपि पूर्वतन पदस्य विशेषणमपि भवति, अनन्तरम् अग्रिमपदस्य। इदानीं दवदहन इत्युक्ते किं? दिस् इस् द फारेस्ट् फैर्, दवदहन इस् दट् वन्, वनाग्निः इति। दवदहन इति आञ्जनेयस्य विशेषणम्। एतादृश नगरस्य सः दवदहन इव अभवत्। अथवा परपुर परिसृत तदेव अरण्यवत् आसीत्, तस्य अग्निः इव एषः आञ्जनेयः। दवदहनः अथवा दवाग्निः अथवा वनाग्निः, सः कथमासीत्? जवनः, अत्यन्त शीघ्रगामी आसीत्। अनन्तरं कः सः? पवनभवः, वायुपुत्रः, मारुतिः, मरुत्पुत्रः अथवा मारुतिः। कपिवरः, कपिश्रेष्ठः, वानरश्रेष्ठः, तस्य अत्र कपिवर अनन्तरं परिष्वङ्ग, तयोः मध्ये तस्य, तादृशस्य कपिश्रेष्ठस्य परिष्वङ्ग आश्लेषेण अथवा आलिङ्गनेन भावित सर्वस्वदान। भावित यः मनसि स्वस्य सर्वस्वं, स्वस्य समीपे यदस्ति केवलं आञ्जनेयस्य आलिङ्गनेन एव स्वस्य सर्वं यः दत्तवान्, हे राम जय जय। So this, as I told, 68 sargas, like a capsule, in a very strong medicine in a capsule, which has all required qualities. This Churnika is like that. Again we will see the words. See, apara, paravara, parikha, parivrita, parapura. These, there were 4 words. First 4 words are adjective for Ravana's Lanka. How was it? Aparaha, paravara, parikha, parivritaha. So in Sundarakanda, first and second sargas, the beautiful description of the city of Lanka. And even in Yuddhakanda, Ramah pritchati. Taddine Sundarakandasya katham संक्षेपेण उक्तवती। हनुमान् सीतां दृष्ट्वा ताम् आश्वास्य तस्याः चूडामणिं स्वीकृत्य पुनः रामस्य समीपम् आगच्छति। तथा रामः अत्यन्त हर्षनिर्भरः अस्ति। तत्र सुन्दरकाण्डः समाप्यते। युद्धकाण्डे आरम्भे एव साक्षात् युद्धं न भवति, यतः लङ्का कीदृशी अस्ति, तस्य दुर्गकर्म विधानानि कानि, तत्सर्वं ज्ञात्वा एव सः शत्रुः राक्षसः अत्यन्तपराक्रमी मायावी वञ्चकः बहु विशेषणानि रावणस्य। अतः विवेकं तत्र बलाबलं न विचिन्त्य कदापि न गन्तव्यम्। अतः रावणः क्षम्यतां रामः आञ्जनेयं पुनः पृच्छति किञ्चित् लङ्काविषये अधिकं वद इति। अहं केवलं तत् युद्धकाण्डस्य कांश्चन श्लोकान् अत्र पठितुम् इच्छामि, यतः the city of Lanka, one is beautiful, it excelled Indra's Amaravati, that Bhogavati, Patala Nagari, Alakavati, Bhogavati, all it excelled in beauty, this Lanka. But not only that, how well the defense system of Lanka, and Hanuman is the ambassador, he is the first diplomat who has been sent overseas on a mission. That's really wonderful, isn't it? सः यदा गच्छति सः किं पश्यति, सः केवलं गच्छति सीतां पश्यति तथा न, अत्यन्त समर्थः दक्षः सः। अतः लङ्का कथम् आसीत् इति तत्र वर्णनं भवति। सः वदति श्रूयतां सर्वमाख्यास्ये दुर्गकर्म विधानतः गुप्तापुरी यथा लङ्का रक्षिता च यथा बलैः। सो सः किम् अस्ति इति वदति, दृढबद्धकपाटानि महापरिघवन्ति च चत्वारि विपुलान्यस्य द्वाराणि सुमहन्ति च तत्रेषूपलयन्त्राणि। इषूपलयन्त्र इस् कैटपुल्ट, बलवन्ति महान्ति च। अहं तस्य अर्थं वदामि। आगतं प्रतिसैन्यं तैः तत्र प्रतिनिवार्यते, द्वारेषु संस्कृता भीमाः कालायसमया शिताः, शतशो रचिता वीरैः शतज्ञो रक्षसां गणैः, सौवर्णस्तु महांस्तस्याः प्राकारो दुष्प्रदर्शनः, मणिविद्रुमवैडूर्यमुक्ता विरचितान्तरः, सर्वतश्च महाभीमाः शीततोया महाशुभाः, अगाधा ग्राहवत्यश्च परिखा मीनसेविताः। Parikha, that just one word is used here, that Parikha. Lanka punar niralamba devadurga bhayavaha nadeyam parvatam vanyam kritrimam cha chaturvidham. Saha vadati Hanuman nadeyam parvatam vanyam kritrimam evam chaturvidham Lanka atyanta bhayavaha Niralamba asti. Lanka has fourfold defense system consisting of Nadeyam, Nadi, as well as the ocean, which encircles it on all sides, and then Parvatam, a mountain. It stands on the plateau of this Trikutachala, on whose summit it stands. And the third is Vanyam, and a belt of forest. It's surrounded by a belt of forests. And Kritrimam, an artificial fortification has been built in the form of an enclosing wall. So, evam Tadrisha Nagari Asit Lanka. Sarvam asti tatra gantum atyanta ityukte dussadhyameva. Tadrisham Shatroho Nagaram Yeshaha Gatavan. Tatra Hanumatah Visheshanam api bhavati. लङ्कायाः विशेषणम् अपि भवति। तादृश परपुरा अपार पारावार परिखा is the moat or a trench parivruta, surrounded by that parapura, that enemy's city. Parisrita ityukte tatra that is surrounded by one is the ocean, the second is forests, and for that forest, actually these are all metaphors used here. Tadrisha Lanka Nagari eva vanamiva asti, tadrishasya vanasya davadahana vanagnihi iva javanaha atyanta shigragami manojavaha पवनभवः, मारुत वायुपुत्रः, कपिवरः, कपिश्रेष्ठः, एषः एवम् एतादृशम् अद्भुतकार्यं कृतवान् इति कपिवरस्य परिष्वङ्गेन आलिङ्गनेन श्रीरामः स्वस्य सर्वस्वं केवलेन आलिङ्गनेन एव आत्मानमेव समर्पितवान् हनुमते। तादृश राम जय जय। Victory to you, O Lord Rama. You gave everything to Hanuman by embracing him, who crossed the great ocean and set fire to Lanka, the kingdom of Ravana. So this Lanka, it's such these modes again. There's alligators, sharks, and all these creatures were there. And Shatagni is these spears which can kill, very sharp this thing. There are 4 extensive and huge gates in it, which have been provided with strong doors closed with massive bars. Parigha. Parigha is that the crossbar or the bars. And powerful this issue kim uktavati, one word, Ishupalayantrani. These powerful catapults discharging darts and stones have been attached to the doors, and then just if anybody tries to enter, immediately they will be repulsed at the very gate. And formidable hundreds and thousands of sharp-edged these shatagnis, the steel clubs, were placed near the gate, and that is to show that the readiness to fight. And the high protective wall of gold, which is difficult to assail, and is and so many, all these gems are gem-studded. Most formidable is the trench or the moats filled with cold water, and having the infested with alligators and inhabited by sharks. So in front of the gateways there are 4 very extensive drawbridges, Sankrama, drawbridges Sankrama, which are equipped with numerous engines and strengthened by many rows of safety buildings. These buildings, they belong to the guarding people. Evam Lankayaha Hanuman kim karoti? प्रथमं सागरं तीर्त्वा लङ्कातीरं प्राप्नोति, अनन्तरं तत्र बहवः वृक्षाः तत्सर्वं भवति, तदपि तीर्त्वा तत् शृङ्ग लम्बगिरेः लम्ब अथवा त्रिकूटाचल तत्र गच्छति, तत्रापि ततः लङ्कानगरीं पश्यति, अनन्तरं मनसि चिन्तयति, अहं कतः एवं भीमरूपः अन्तः प्रविशामि, तदा राक्षसाः मां दृष्ट्वा तदा एव मम कार्यं व्यर्थं भवति. So he is a man of forethought. So he decides, what is the use of coming here and getting getting killed or attacking at the very first sight of me? Then I cannot trace Sita, nor can I go back, or the whole purpose of coming here will be futile. एवं चिन्तयित्वा सः अत्यन्त सूक्ष्मरूपधरः भूत्वा, Hanuman has the capacity to increase or reduce or increase his body. तादृश सिद्धिदः सः, अष्टसिद्धि नवनिधिके दाता एवं तुलसी दासस्य तद् भवति तत्र रामचरितमानसे. अतः सः अत्यन्त लघुकायः भूत्वा किञ्चित् प्रवेष्टुं किञ्चित् प्रयत्नं करोति, तदा तत्र नगराधिदेवी लङ्किणी प्रहारं करोति, अनन्तरं केवलं वामहस्तस्य किञ्चिदेव मुष्टिप्रहारेण सः तां पराजित्य अन्तः प्रविशति. सो केवलं प्रवेशः न, सः अत्यन्त दुष्करं कार्यं कृतवान्. प्रथमं सीतान्वेषणं कृतवान्, अनन्तरं रामस्य सन्देशं प्रापितवान्, पुनः रामः निश्चयेन आगमिष्यति, केवलं सः अनन्तरं लक्ष्मणः न, अत्यंत बृहत् वानर सैन्यैः सह तत्र आगमिष्यति। निश्चयेन रावणं पराजित्य रावणं हत्वा त्वां नेष्यति इति एवम् आश्वासयति। अनन्तरं लङ्का दाहमपि करोति. Here I would like to tell the qualities of Hanuman. He has gone to Lanka as an ambassador. So so I told he is the first ambassador sent overseas on a diplomatic mission. So Hanuman let Ravana know how powerful Rama was. Sah kim karoti? Hanumatah vakkausalam त्रिषु स्थलेषु वयं पश्यामः. प्रथमं तु यदा राम-लक्ष्मणयोः मेलनं भवति तदा एषः सुग्रीवस्य दूतः भूत्वा रामस्य हृदयं जितवान्. अनन्तरं सीतां पश्यति. सीतां दृष्ट्वा again he uses his what is that judging, that viveka. सः कथं वदामि सीतया सह, यतः इदानीं तु सा भीता, प्राणपरित्यागे सा सिद्धा अस्ति. अतः इदानीं many times even this when somebody is attempting suicide, first thing is somehow you have to stop them. तद् एषः अत्यन्त समीचीनतया जानाति. अतः किमपि न वदति एतद् मा कुरु, प्राणत्यागं न कुरु, एवं तथा किमपि न करोति. न केवलं दशरथस्य अनन्तरं रामस्य वंशचरितं सः वक्तुम् आरम्भं करोति. Again his skill, वाक्कौशलं, his oratory skills are exhibited there. अनन्तरं पुनः रावणस्य सभायां यदा मेघनादः अथवा इन्द्रजित् ब्रह्मास्त्रेण हनुमन्तं बद्ध्वा तत्र गच्छति. पुनः रावणेन सह as an ambassador how he has to speak. First he tells that I have come here to visit the city. रावणः जानाति एषः एवं ध्वंसकार्यं सर्वं कृतवान्, निश्चयेन एषः कस्य केनचित् प्रेषितः इति रावणः जानाति. एषः हनुमान् प्रथमं मृदुवचनैः वदति, एवं न कुरु, सीतां रामाय पुनः प्रत्यर्पय. यतः रामः एषा अपि कालाग्निसदृशी, एषा लङ्कामेव तव राज्यं सर्वं नश्यति, विनष्टं भवति इति प्रथमं वारयति. अनन्तरं तेन तस्य कुकारेण सः न शृणोति, अत्यन्त क्रुद्धः भवति. तदा सः किं करोति, केवलं अहं तु तीर्त्वा आगतवान्, रामस्य समीपे रामः कीदृशः अस्ति इति कल्पनापि नास्ति, सः निश्चयेन आगमिष्यति, सीतां पुनः अयोध्यां नेष्यति त्वां मारयित्वा इति पुनः तस्य किञ्चित् सिद्धो भव इत्यपि वदति. तथैव लङ्कादहनेन he just wants to show Ravana if needed this the ambassador or the messenger who has been sent, he can go to that extent also. So he tried to tell Ravana that Sita is not an ordinary woman and she is like fire which would burn Lanka to ashes. He was able and willing to use force to a remarkable effect when necessary. प्रथममेव एषः न करोति, किन्तु यदा सः जानाति एतद् अनिवार्यम् इति तदा एव एषः करोति. सो अन्यत् किमपि वक्तुम् इच्छामि स्म. And not only that, his observation, minute observation regarding everything in Lanka, the architectural beauty, the security arrangements, lifestyle and behavior of people, and he is very skillful in handling Sita, that I told, the language he speaks. So how to initiate the dialogue with Sita, who was already so scared, and like if he tells something, she would get more scared and things would go wrong. And his what are all other qualities? Our diplomat should be very cautious while communicating with people on foreign lands, especially those who can. And atra kimartam etad vadami ityukte, he should be very, he should study people, and if somebody can help later in later stages, that also he should be knowing. This happens with Vibhishana. One should be careful about their safety and security. And here, if he should be those who can help in okay, atra, if somebody can help in later, if that is needed, there should be somebody trustworthy in that foreign land who can be of some local help. तदर्थम् एषः विभीषणस्य स्वभावं सः सम्यक्, सः कीदृशः, यतः यदा दूतवधः करणीयः इति रामः वदति, तदा विभीषणः सः मध्ये प्रविशति, एतद् न करणीयं, शास्त्रसम्मतं न, दूतवधः अत्यन्त नीचकार्यम् इति वदति. अनन्तरं कथमपि स एव वदति, यदि किमपि कर्तुम् इच्छति तदा कपीनां लाङ्गूलम् अत्यन्तं प्रियं, किमपि तादृश लघु दण्डनं भवतु इति. एषः सूक्ष्म दृष्टियुतः हनुमान् रावणस्य, यद्यपि सर्वे राक्षसाः एव, केचन अत्यन्त रावण विषये अत्यन्त आज्ञापालकाः आसन्, एषः यद्यपि रावणभ्राता एव, अनुजः एव, तथापि सः अत्यन्त सुशीलः, सदाचारसम्पन्नः इत्यपि हनुमान् जानाति. And then what else? He destroys Ashokavana just to see the response of Ravana and to meet him. And so like this, in every aspect, he displays very great qualities of an ambassador. Atah tadrishasya kapivarasya Ramah chintayati. Yeshaha अत्यंत उत्तमकार्यं कृतवान्. केवलं सीतायाः प्राणपरित्यागं न निवारितवान्. ममापि मनसि किम् आसीत्, बहु तस्याः विषये अत्यन्त निराशा आसीत्. सा जीविता अस्ति वा न वा, पुनः तां पश्यामि वा न वा इति मम मनसि अपि पुनः जीवितुमेव इच्छा नासीत्. तादृश प्रसंगे एषः आवयोः मध्ये आगत्य अत्यन्तम् उत्तमकार्यं कृतवान् अस्ति. अतः एतस्मै किं ददामि इति चिन्तयति. कृतस्य उपकारस्य तत्काले एव किमपि प्रत्युपकारः करणीयः. किमपि अनन्तरं करोमि, अनन्तरकाले करोमि, अथवा यदा मम पुनः रामः इदानीं वने अस्ति, तस्य समीपे तथा दातुं कनकं वा अनन्तरम् अथवा तादृश सम्पत् नास्ति. सः चिन्तयति, एषः तु अत्यन्त प्रिय कर्म कृतवान् अस्ति, अतः इदानीमेव अस्मिन्नेव काले अहमपि किमपि कृत्वा एतस्य प्रत्युपकारं समर्पयामि इति सः चिन्तयति. अनन्तरं केवलं परिश्वङ्गमात्रेण सः एतत् सर्वं सिद्ध्यति वा इत्यपि प्रश्नः भवति. तथा अस्ति चेत् सर्वस्वम् आत्मानमेव ददाति. That embrace itself talks about that Rama is offering himself. What else is required for Hanuman? He is such a humble and loyal servant to Sugriva as well as Rama, and he has been in like longing to be with Rama. For him, this embrace is everything, for everything in his life. अतः आत्मदानात् अधिकं प्रियकारिणे अस्मै न किञ्चित् देयम् इति तं तेन आलिङ्गनेन सः सर्वस्वं दत्तवान्. I think अद्य पुनः अत्रैव स्थगयामि, यतः युद्धकाण्डस्य विषये वक्तुं बहु अस्ति. आरम्भे पुनः युद्धकाण्डस्य तत्र तु 28 सर्गाः 128 सर्गास् आर् देर्. अतः युद्धकाण्डस्य आरम्भात् पूर्वं यदि एतावत् पर्यन्तं यत् पाठितं तत्र किमपि संशयः अस्ति चेत् पृच्छन्तु, अथवा कोऽपि वक्तुम् इच्छति चेत् कस्मिंश्चिदपि विषये, हनुमतः विषये किमपि नूतनविषयः अस्ति चेत् तद् अहमपि श्रोतुं सिद्धा अस्मि. अथवा पूर्वतनचूर्णिकासु संशयः तथा अस्ति चेत् तदपि कर्तुं शक्यते. तथा कुर्मः. अद्य कोऽपि वक्तुम् इच्छति वा? If there is any doubt in any of the churnikas, or if anybody wants to talk about the great qualities of Hanuman, or any interesting things about Hanuman, we can definitely do that. Some interaction. Astu, Preeti Bhagini Siddha Asti. Astu Bhagini, aham kritavati. You may speak. Bhagini.
Thank you. I'm a real newcomer to all this. So I went and searched in archery because Rama is a very good archer. Arjuna is an extremely good archer. So I went to look at history of archery, and I was very surprised that in the world of archery and the history of archery, India does not get a mention. There is an Olympics of archery, and believe it or not, India got the first prize this year. I was very proud to see that, and very surprised that the Uzbekistan, they said the archery has come from Egypt and Nubia and that area. So I wrote to the organization and said, I think you have forgotten something. History is recorded on stone, in temples, even if we didn't write things down then. And for years, our libraries have been devastated by people who came in with other religions. So we do not have any written records as perhaps in Egypt or Greece or wherever. But we are very well versed in archery. And in fact, the games that, we have that little, what is the thing called, in which Arjuna's son, Abhimanyu, was trapped. They're all different ways.
Chakravyuha.
Vyuhas. We knew about vyuhas, we knew about arrangements, and we knew about the various kinds of sharas, that Agniastra and Brahmastra, and then we knew how to nullify them. And there's no mention of all of this at all. So they even mentioned China, Korea, Japan. And the interesting thing is they have an archery competition where they, in Kyrgyzstan, where they ride horses, very deft horsemen, and they have a torso of a goat, and they have to play like polo, and they have to they have to ride the horse as quickly as possible to avoid that carcass being taken away. And they have to throw the carcass into a goalpost. And guess what the goalpost is called? Kupakara. And it is a well-shaped area, and you have to throw it into that hole. And if it meets the target, it'll get into the Cooper. Isn't it interesting? That
amazing.
Yeah, I was so surprised. And they are equally skilled, because some of their girls and men can shoot with their feet. And I saw a video not that long ago. There was a young girl, I think she looked Indian, and she was doing the same thing, archery with her feet and meeting the target.
Yeah, Matsya Yantra Bhedanam Arjunasya Tatrapi, you can see that. See, that it's India's, it is not just epic or anything. In these literature, there are lot of information which are which can create so much of awareness as well as wonder in the youngsters also. But only thing is that has to be done.
Yeah, indeed. No, thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak. But I thought maybe other people know about it. I didn't, and I was very surprised that they didn't. Yeah.
Dhanyavada, Bhagini.
Not at all.
Anybody
Thank you.
else? Tulsidas Ramacharita-manas, Pushpaka Viman, definitely almost whatever is in Ramayana has been even there in Ramacharita-manas that has been mentioned. Maybe that name may be different. I am not very well versed with that. I have just heard parts of it, sir. Therefore, I don't know that. Anya kapi vaktum ichhati va? It is not that it is not mandatory that you speak in Sanskrit. You can speak in English or any other language which all of us can understand. अतः तथा न चिन्तयन्तु संस्कृतेन एव वक्तव्यमिति. If the information is valuable and something not shared here, definitely you can do. Hemavati Bhagini, vadatu. Hema Bhagini, I have allowed you to talk.
Ram. So in a couple of places in Sundarakanda, Hanuman tells Sita, you sit on my shoulder.
Yes.
Rama, because I was Ravana, because I was helpless.
Yes.
But only when Rama comes and takes me, tat tasya sadrisham bhavet. You know, she says he has to come and take me.
Yes.
And in fact, she is surprised how a small monkey he can take her. At that time, he shows the Vishwaroopa.
Virat Swarupa. Yes.
And again, so again in the next 2 occasions, she says that Rama has to come and take me. Tat tasya sadrisham bhavet.
But again, Hanuman is not convinced. He says, he grew in size. Then she says, I see, when Ravana brought me here, I was helpless. So I don't want to be touched by anybody else other than Rama. So that is also she says. Sundarakanda is a treasure house of information. I have just it's a tip of the iceberg that I have shared.
Iceberg, yes.
Bahu asti.
Thank you so much.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Anybody else wants to? Any doubt in any previously taught lines? Maithili. As I have allowed you to speak, Maithili Ramaswamy. Bhagini?
Shruyate va Bhagini?
Shruyate.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
I have a doubt. Ravana could not touch Sita at all, isn't it? Because he had a curse from some, I forgot the name. That if he
Vedavati.
touches, yeah, exactly.
Vedavati.
Yeah. That if he touches any woman against her will, he will break into 1,000 pieces or something. Is that is that correct?
It is there. All these stories are in Uttarakanda. Even that day, somebody had asked about why did Ravana, or what was the occasion where Ravana met Vali? That is, I told he crushed him under the arm and all that. So all these stories, they come in Sundarakanda. But here it says he held her by her locks of hair and then he took her. That is
some places they say that he just dug the ground from where she was standing and then lifted her like that. I don't know whether that is also.
These are very subtle things which, if we go deep into it, how did this happen? How did that happen? Sometimes we get doubts.
Yes.
But there are answers to all this. Maybe we have to read again and again. But one thing is sure, though Ravana's Antapura is filled with women from almost all countries, all states, but still he cannot force Sita to be his wife. He just verbally he does all that, but he doesn't dare to touch her there, like by any other means. Only thing is, he with harsh words he tries to persuade her. That can be told. So how he carried her to Lanka, then again some other by some other means he must have done it.
Dhanyavada Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha. Bharati. Yes, it's very nice to listen to different people. Let us please volunteer yourselves, and you can, so many things are there. You can talk about Deshika style or Valmiki Ramayana, whatever has been taught. So let us make some preparation for the battle. So till then we can have this interaction. Astu, Bharati Sridhar Vadatu.
Namaste Bhagini, can I speak in?
Pardon Bhagini?
Namaste Bhagini, can I speak in Kannada?
Vadatu. Yesham ye avagachanti te avagachanti. Yesham na shakyate chinta nasti. There are many Kannada speaking people. Vadatu.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಸೀತಾನ ಹೇಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಮುಟ್ಟದ ರಾವಣ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಉಪಕಥೆ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ವೇದವತಿ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಲು, ಸೀತಾ ಇರ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವೇದವತಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವರ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ವೇದವತಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವರ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೀತಾ ವಾಸ್ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ವೇದವತಿ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸುಂದರಕಾಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸೀತಾನ ನೀನೇನೋ ಹೇಗೋ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿ, ನೀನು ಹನುಮಂತಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ನೀನ್ ಕೇಪಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ನೀನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕೇಪಬಲ್, ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಆವಾಗ ಅವನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನ ವಿನಯ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಂದರಕಾಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಕಪಿ, ನನಗಿಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಹಳ ಶಕ್ಯವಂತರು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂನು ಬರೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಸುಲಭ, ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸುಲಭ, ನಾನೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಯೂಶಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ no powerful messenger is sent to a foreign land because there are chances of getting killed. So he says definitely a wise king will not send his most powerful person as ambassador. I'm a very, very ordinary person, and there are so many other powerful persons in Rama's army, he says. Yes, that part I remember. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Thank you, Bhagini, giving a chance to me.
Yes. Vasudevan Mahodaya. M.K. Vasudevan. I'm happy that many are coming forward to speak.
No, you are saying that Vedavati story about Chaya Sita. It's is it in Valmiki Ramayanam?
In Uttarakanda, it might be there. I haven't read, sir.
Not
I will, because Uttarakanda, so many stories that have not been narrated, they come in Uttarakanda. Even Ravana's birth, the whole his lineage, how he was that Pulastya's son. So many stories are there in
Story
Uttarakanda.
goes that Vedavati said that I will bring Ravana down because he tried to molest her. And that's why she took the form of Sita and then went to played a role in bringing down Ravana. And also the Tirupati Tirumala, they say the Alamel Mangataya, they say it's a avatar of Vedavati. She was rewarded with this avatar for helping Rama, Sita Mata in that Ravana story, Ravana abduction. Because she only got abducted, not Sita Mata, and she wanted Lord Vishnu as her consort, no? So her wish was also fulfilled in this yuga as in Salapurana of Tirupati, it's there. If you Almail Mangataya is avatar of Vedavati, that's what it says. So I don't know. But this story, I'm not sure if it's in Valmiki Ramayana or not. That's why I asked.
The thing is, for Molakata, these Upakatas are somewhere, if somebody has added something, that doesn't alter or it doesn't affect the Molakata. As I told you, even in different versions of Ramayana that have been narrated by other great poets, slightly some imagination of their own has been added. That may not bring any, that will not bring down the significance of Ramayana in any way. That is what I feel. And in many conversations, some upakathas also come, like how Ravana is not allowed to force anybody. This also comes. So when we read every Ramayana in detail, and we have to note down how many stories like these upakathas have been narrated here, then it will be, that is what I told. We know just like one dot of Ramayana. And Rama, no doubt he is an avatar Purusha, but still as a human being, in Ramavatara, we see the human qualities of Rama more than in any other previous or later avatars. He hardly exhibits any miracles or something like that here. So he is a man of Purushottamaha Saha. Maryada Purushottamaha Manavaha Bhutva Valmiki. And it is history also. Ramayana has happened in the land. And Lanka is not the Sri Lanka that we are talking about now, because it says Dasya Yojana. One Yojana is equivalent to 8 miles or 12.5 kilometers. So that Lanka, it might have submerged. This happened long back. So there are so many changes that have happened. So naturally, that Lanka is different, and there are 8 subcontinents of Jambudvipa. In that, Simhala Dvipa and Lanka, there is mention of 2 different dvipas there. So the Simhala might be Lanka, and that too it must have the size has contracted because of so many natural disasters. So Lanka, it very clearly it says from this Bharatavarsha Shata Yojana Dure Asititi. So these are all very interesting things, as well as we can learn so many things about this, and
Satya
we
Yojana
can
means
find out.
1,000 miles, is it? Satya Yojana.
One yojana is equivalent to 8 miles. In miles, 800 miles are
800 miles.
approximately 13 kilometers. That means 1,300 kilometers.
So Lanka is not that far. No?
Yes, yes.
Mm.
So there are so many theories to rule out that the present day Lanka is not at all Ravana's Lanka. So somewhere towards this Maldives, this Lanka might have been. Different theories are there. But first, our this thing is to enjoy Valmiki Ramayana and then analyze these things.
Yes. Yes, usually this Vedavati story is brought up in the controversy of this Agni Pravesha, no? So people ask why Sita was made to undergo under Agni Pravesha. They say the Agni Bhagavan exchanged Chaya Sita to original Sita during Agni Pravesha. Well, it was really a Nataka. That's what some people say.
See,
Don't agree. They say you are trying to find this.
No, Ramayana is such a gem. Like it has so many facets. If you want to see it in a philosophical view, you can see Rama and Sita as Lakshmi and Narayana. Or if you want to see him as a human being with lot of might, even then you can enjoy it as it is. So different perspectives are there. अतः एषः एव सत्यम् एतद् न आवश्यकं तथा न. I don't feel each one. That is why Ramayana is these folk artists, they take Ramayana in their own style, and dance, music, drama. Tyagaraja Swami has seen Rama in a different way. So each can enjoy Rama in their own way. Nobody can stop it. And we can't rule out that is wrong, this is wrong, nothing. अन्या वक्तुमिच्छति चेत् नो चेत् अद्य समापयामः. अस्ति वा अन्या कापि वक्तुमिच्छति वा? अस्तु, तर्हि अद्य समापयामः. अग्रिमकक्षायां युद्धकाण्डस्य आरम्भः. Once the battle starts, then there is no stopping. That is why I thought today we will just have some interaction, because before Yuddhakanda itself is all that preparation, studying the city of Lanka and all that happens. So later, Kala Rajgopal. Astu Bhagini. वक्तुं शक्नोति?
अहं प्रथमतया अहं शृणोमि. I am really enjoying it, and देशिकस्य विषये I mean, it's really admirable, commendable, the languages, and not suggestion, but my request, before starting Yuddhakandam, can we have the summary from the beginning? Next class, in Agrima class.
I didn't get your summary. You have been for each Churnika you have been
not for each Churnika, the gist of each Kanta.
That I think if you sum up the lines, I think you will get the. See, first of all, Ramayana story is very popular, isn't it?
Yeah.
Roughly everybody knows what is the story of Ramayana, and some minor incidents that lead to the next episode that I have narrated, and the English meaning has been provided for each line. So I think when you put it together, you should be able to make out what is the gist of each kanda, isn't it, Bhagini?
It's okay, no problem.
न न प्रयत्नं करोतु तथापि किमपि संशयः सन्देहः अस्ति चेत् पृच्छतु वदामि तत् अस्तु अन्या नास्ति इति मन्ये अस्तु समापयामः कवितार्किक सिंहाय कल्याण गुणशालिने श्रीमते वेंकटेशाय वेदांत गुरवे नमः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति